By the end of this video, you will know everything you need to start gaining muscle in the gym effectively. When I was just starting to hit the gym, I was very worried that I'm doing something wrong and that it was gonna completely ruin all the potential gains. And if you can take away one advice from this video, it should be that you need to just start. No matter if you know everything, no matter if you miss some things, have a mindset. This is not a get as much muscle in as little time competition. This is a long-term game. So your goal should be to one day be that old man still hitting the gym, who's like an absolute legend among the kids because he's been here for like 50 years and he's absolutely ripped. And with this mindset, it doesn't matter if you make a mistake or get something wrong because you will have plenty of time to correct it. So it's cool, don't worry about it. Also, when I just started hitting the gym, I was doing body weight and I absolutely hated that. And then I switched to lifting weights and that was way more fun for me personally. So my advice would be to choose the style of gym that you enjoy the most rather than the one that's going to give you like 5% more muscle. Because at the end of the day, it's important that you stay in the gym for a long period of time. And if you absolutely despise what you're doing, you're not gonna be consistent. So for the sake of this video, I will talk more about lifting weights because that's the style of gym that I chose. Now when it comes to diet, I'll keep it short. Eat more than you burn, so you're in a bulk, because you need to gain weight to gain muscle unless you're overweight already. Use the TDEE calculator to calculate how much food you need to eat. That's online, I will link that in the description. And eat only healthy foods. I recommend potatoes, meat, fish, rice, eggs, vegetable, fruits as like some of the best foods. And also get some protein powder. When it comes to routine, I do push-pull legs, which means that I do pushing exercises on Monday, I do pulling exercises on Tuesday, I do legs on Wednesday, and then I repeat those 3 on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and on Sunday I have a rest day. If you need specific exercises, these are the ones that I started with, and then I gradually added some new ones over the time based on which muscles I was lacking personally. I would recommend that you do something for the forearms and for your neck because that will make you look more masculine. The numbers in the brackets are the reps that you need to do of each exercise, so how many repetitions you will do. Start with the smallest number, and then when it becomes easy, move to the higher number and to a higher number. And then when you come to the end, then add some weight, lift heavier, and then go back to the smallest number of reps and go in circles like that. Do 3 or 4 sets of each exercise. I got these exercises from this video, so I've linked in the description. And also feel absolutely free to experiment with the exercises, figure out what works for you, try out an exercise, and if you feel like it works well for you, then add it into the routine and maybe remove something that doesn't work for you. Now, should you work out at home or in an actual gym? I'd say working out at home works because I did it for a while, but eventually you will need heavier weights, and then you will either have to join the gym or you will have to buy new weights that are heavier and keep buying them every time. So I think that joining the gym is just more affordable. Also, from my experience, I can tell you that doing workouts in an actual gym is 10 times more fun than doing them at home. And I also want to add that these are just things that personally work for me. I'm not an expert by any means, so if I did get something wrong, I'm sure that you're gonna figure it out eventually. Don't stress about little details, because over the course of your gym journey, you're gonna figure things out and you're gonna figure out what works better for you and what doesn't. So it's completely fine to get things wrong at the beginning. You might feel overwhelmed, but just start. And the last tip I'm gonna give you is cold showers. They can definitely help with the gym. And if you wanna know more about cold showers, watch this video where I took 1095 cold showers so I can tell you if they actually work or not. Just click over here.